Wooden jigsaw puzzles are classic puzzles made from wood, offering a tactile and engaging experience for people of all ages. They come in various sizes, shapes, and complexities, catering to different skill levels and interests.
Key features: material, made from high-quality wood, providing a sturdy and durable construction. Variety, available in a wide range of themes, including landscapes, animals, art, and abstract designs. Complexity, ranging from simple puzzles for beginners to challenging puzzles with intricate pieces for experienced puzzlers. Educational benefits. Wooden jigsaw puzzles can help improve cognitive skills such as problem solving, spatial reasoning, and concentration. Relaxation. The process of piecing together a puzzle can be a calming and meditative experience. Benefits of wooden jigsaw puzzles. Improved cognitive skills. Solving puzzles helps develop problem solving, spatial reasoning, and concentration skills. Stress relief. The focused activity of putting together a puzzle can help reduce stress and anxiety. Social interaction. Jigsaw puzzles can be a fun activity to do with friends and family, promoting social interaction and bonding. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a challenging puzzle provides a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity that offers both entertainment and educational benefits, wooden jigsaw puzzles are an excellent choice. Wooden jigsaw puzzles offer a multitude of benefits for people of all ages. Here are some of the key uses and advantages. Cognitive development. Problem solving. Jigsaw puzzles require you to analyze the pieces, identify patterns, and strategize how to fit them together. This process enhances problem-solving skills. Spatial reasoning. Visualizing how the pieces fit together and mentally rotating them to find the correct orientation improves spatial reasoning abilities. Concentration and focus. Completing a puzzle demands focused attention, helping to improve concentration and attention span. Memory. Remembering the shapes, colors, and positions of the pieces aids in memory development. Emotional well-being. Stress relief. The act of piecing together a puzzle can be a calming and meditative experience, reducing stress and anxiety. Mindfulness. Focusing on the task at hand promotes mindfulness and helps you disconnect from daily worries. Satisfaction and accomplishment. Completing a challenging puzzle provides a sense of achievement and boosts self-esteem. Social benefits. Family bonding. Jigsaw puzzles are a great way to spend quality time with family and friends, fostering social interaction and bonding. Cooperative learning. Working together on a puzzle encourages teamwork, communication, and cooperation. Educational value. Learning opportunities. Puzzles with educational themes can teach children about history, geography, science, and other subjects. Language development. Discussing the puzzle's theme and sharing ideas can enhance language skills. Decorative purposes. Wall art. Completed puzzles can be framed and displayed as unique and personalized wall art. In summary, wooden jigsaw puzzles are not just toys but valuable tools for cognitive development, emotional well-being, social interaction, and education. They offer a fun and engaging way to spend time, relax, and learn.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind. In this celestial ballroom love's defined. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night. The fences bloom in the pale moonlight. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. The shimmering galaxies will find our way, guided by love's everlasting sway. With each celestial heartbeat we dance on in this cosmic gate, as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.